yourself, what are we here to do?
Focus.
Focus means
Following our calling unto success.
what's our calling?
To learn, to grow, to shine, and to lead.
Are we giving up?
No way.
Are we staying strong?
All day.
What's our destination?
Success is our destination.
Good morning, director, proprietor, teachers, and my fellow scholars of Radiant Angel School. We are the glowing sunrise of grade 5 gold, and we are here to make a presentation on the human skeleton.
The term skeleton simply refers to the framework of bones in the body. Type of bones. There are 3 types of bones in the body. 1. Long bone. 2. Vertebra. 3. Phalanges and carpals. Long bone. These are bones found in the arm and in the leg. Example: femur. That is the thigh bone. Humerus. That is the upper arm bone. Ulnar and radius. That is the lower arm bone. Tibia and fibula. Those are the leg bone.
2. Vertebra. These are small bones that are arranged together to form a series. In other words, a set called the vertebral column. The vertebral column is also known as backbone. The backbone starts from the neck to the tail. The backbone is divided into 3 regions, which are 1. The neck bones called cervical vertebra. These bones are 7 in numbers. 2. The chest bones called thoracic vertebra. These bones are 12 in numbers. The lower back region is made up of the lumbar vertebra. Animals that possess backbone are known as vertebrates, while animals without backbone are known as invertebrates. 3. Phalanges and carpals. The hand end in the fingers and the leg end in the feet. Feet and fingers are made up of bones called phalanges. Example: the toe bone and the finger bone. Functions of bone. 1. They give shape to the body. They provide support for the body. Muscles are attached to the bones to allow movement. They protect delicate organs like the brain, the heart, and the lungs. They act as storage for minerals like calcium and phosphorus. Bone marrow helps in production of the red blood cells.
Joint is a place in the body where 2 or more bones meet. Joints in the body make movement possible in every part of the body. Example of place where we have joints in the body are the neck, the waist, the fingers, and the knee. Types of joints. There are 2 types of joints. There are movable joints and immovable joints. 1. Movable joints. These are joints in the body where bones meet and can sit slide on each other. Example of movable joints: ball and socket joints. Ball and socket joints allow movement in all directions. Example: hips joints and shoulder joints. 2. Hinge joints. Hinge joints allow movement in only one direction. Examples: fingers, knee, toes, and elbow. 3. Pivot joints. Pivot joints allow rotational movements. Example: the neck. 4. Gliding joints. Gliding joints allow only little movements. Example: ankle. 2. Immovable joints. Immovable joints are joints where 2 or more bones meet and are firmly fixed together by ligament, such as the skull and pelvic girdle. Functions of joints. Movable joints allow us to move. Joints of the ankle and elbow allow us to bend and stretch. The joints of the hip and the shoulder allow us to move our arm and leg in all directions. Pivot joints allow rotational movement. With 5 goals. Who are you?
I am who I am. I am from above. I was born to conquer.
I conquer from the womb. Not distance me. I am still conquering, and I will conquer forever. No matter how difficult the problem seems, I was born a champion. I cannot fail. I will not fail. Failure is not in my lineage. What do you say? Failure is not in our lineage.